Tell me guys if you've ever had lunch in such a place. Okay, actual some point. So guys, that's where I have lunch. Now it's time to go back to work. So the lunch was about 50 Kenyan shillings or around 35 cents USD. Now let's go back to work. It's currently 2 p.m. I want to head back to work, do a little bit of work, and then I'll go home, man. It's on a Friday, thank God. So I would like to know, what do you guys do on Fridays? Leave a comment below. So guys, I just left work. Let the weekend begin. Man, I'm on my way home. Just having fun, man. Thank God it's Friday. Let's go home. So I'm on my way to Isinya, and then I'll get to my favorite point, which is Ololoitikoi, and then go to Kiserian, and then go home to Rongai. I'll take you through this journey, guys. Let's enjoy Friday. Big up. Nobody better done. Nobody better done. Nobody better done. Nobody better done. So guys, let's put some pressure on this tires. It should be 35. Hey, that was 24. Or rather, it was 34. Make sure you don't lose this. Hit the next tire, do the same. Do the same. I'm sorry for the noise. I'm next to a highway. Hey, this one was 13. What's up? That was too low. Make sure you don't lose this. Then I'll do the same for the 2 other tires. So guys, that was Total Isinya. Now I'm heading to Ololoikitosh. Let's go. So guys, the car feels very stable right now. I think I went about a week without checking the pressure. Should never do that again. Check this out. That's a big tour van, and behind us we have a Volkswagen van behind us. What a nice day. Life is good, man. I thank God for life, man, because He has been so good to me. Thank you, God. Kenya is so beautiful, man. Look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is properly beautiful. Look at this. I don't think there's a country that is more beautiful than Kenya and more diverse than Kenya. Even though I've not been to any other country, but I think Kenya is the most beautiful country in the world. Look at this. This is Maasai land. This is the best of Maasai land. Guys, I'm so sorry for the wind noise. My microphone unfortunately stopped working, but there's a link I've put below for a PayPal donation. Please guys, if you want me to buy a new GoPro camera, please support me in the link below. I need a new GoPro camera so that I can be able to give you guys very awesome footage of such places. So you see, this is beautiful Kenya. This is my dreamland, man. One day, I promise you guys, I'm going to live here. One day, remember this, one day, I'm going to live here. As you can see, we have a nice air park behind me. There's an airstrip. There are people living in nice houses over there. One day, I'll live there. I will have my own. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a plane coming in to land at Oli Park. So hopefully one day that's going to be me flying and, you know, going to land. Let me try and see if I can zoom. Yeah, he's going in for the landing. That's a nice landing. Nice touchdown. So that's Oli Park, man. My dream land. Promise you guys, one day. By there, I need to visit that place one day and show you how it looks like. But guys, don't forget the link below to help me get a GoPro camera. So the sun is setting nicely and I'm on my way home. Guys, check out this classic machine, man. If you know what it is, leave a comment below. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you didn't like it, you can unlike. And leave a comment also why you don't like the video. I'll see you in the next video.